follows. I'll ask some questions, give me answer. I want to define a function to find the maximum of two numbers. What we have to write? That complete code. What we have to write? Function name. A comma B. What do you have to write? If A greater than B, then return A. Next, else return B. Now, in JavaScript, if you want to define a function keyword required. But data types we should not write. Data types we should not write. No, it is dynamic typed programming language. Already you studied. That's what here return type will not be there. Here data types will not be there. Okay. Now it is a function name. It is a keyword. It is a function name. Two parameters. Now this is yesterday you have seen all. Now it is a function I defined. How to call this function? Give me answer. How to call? Let x equal to max of two numbers. Next, document dot write x. File save. Say max of 83 comma 43 copied in A and B. 83 greater than 43 true. Then return A, that is copied in X, that is printed. You observe 83. Okay. This is finding maximum of two number with first category. Okay. What is the first category name? With arguments with return value. Say here with argument with return value. What will happen? See here. These two values copied in A and B. It is copied in A and B. Now, then what will happen? A becomes A equal to 83. B equal to 43. Okay. 83 greater than 43. True. Return A. 83. Return. Return value copied in X. Return value copied in X. That means X equal to A. X equal to A. So it is first category with arguments with return value like this. Second category with arguments without second category with argument without return value. Okay. Third category without argument with return value. Fourth category without argument without return value. Now sending, receiving, first category. Only sending, second category. Only receiving, third category. No sending, no receiving, fourth category. Like that you have to select. Okay. Now you are passing data. You are receiving data. Sending is there, receiving is there. It is called first category. Okay. And only sending is there. Second, only receiving. Third, no sending, no receiving. Fourth. Okay. Now this one, it is first category. This one, I want to make it second category. What are the changes required? Now, is it first category or second or third or fourth? First, with argument, with return value. I want to make it second. What are the changes required? Line number? Line number 7, you have to remove. What do you have to write? Document dot write A. Line number 9. What do you have to write? Document dot write B. Next. Line number 11. What do you have to do? We have to remove let X. Next. We have to remove over. It is second category. Now also same output. But here 83, 43 copied in A and B. 83 greater than 43 printed. It is second category. Third category. We are without arguments. Okay. Then you have to write in the program only. Let A equal to one number. B equal to one number. Then what you have to write? Here, written A. Here, written B. Here, let X equal to max. Next, document dot write X. Okay. Now, file, save. It is third category. Okay. Now, this one, fourth category, if you want to do, what are the changes? Written A plus document dot write A. Written B plus document dot write B. Next, we have to remove let X. Now we have to remove document dot write. It is fourth category. Now, each category, just one example I covered. It is enough because in JavaScript, like a Java, like a .NET, like a Python, not required. Okay. Now it is enough. One category example I covered. Now, here, what I'll do, you observe. Function fun A comma B. Okay. Now document dot write A plus B. I written. Okay. Otherwise, just A. Document dot write A. Here, it is which category function? 1, 2, 3, 4 number. Otherwise, category name. Which category? Second category. With arguments, without return value. Now, with argument, without return value. Now, how to call this function? How to call? Fun of one number. Okay. File save. You are getting no? But here one more concept you observe. If I don't pass any argument, what is happening? Undefined. But in other language, error. In other language, it's an error. Other language different, JavaScript different. Okay. In JavaScript, if we don't pass any argument also, it is working. Now error is not coming, you observe. It is coming undefined. Here inspect. Here console. Are you getting any error message? No. Other languages, if one argument means one only can pass. Two argument means two only can pass. Less also error, more also error. But in JavaScript, if you don't pass anything, by default undefined comes. That a variable undefined. This type comes in JavaScript. You have to take care. Okay. Suppose now return here. Let a equal to 10. Return a. It is which category? One, two, three, four number. Third category. Without arguments, with return value. How to call this function? Let X equal to fun. Next, system, document dot write X. Document dot write X. Okay. Because I'm teaching full stack Java. File, save. Save. Here, let X equal to fun. Here, document dot write X. Now, here, what will happen? Output 10. Okay. Now, like this, here, if we don't pass any argument, undefined comes. Undefined. And one more you observe, one more concept. If I here document dot write, Okay, otherwise nothing. Nothing is there. Now if I call, actually, is it function returning? Is it function returning? No. But what will happen? See, file, save. Here. What you are getting? Undefined. It is not returning what I am receiving. That's what undefined coming. In other language, different. In JavaScript, different. Okay. These all you have to take care. This type of problems may comes. You have to take care. Okay. But in JavaScript, that's what one concept introduced. Default arguments. It is there in the C++ also. In Python also some language we have. Okay. Now you observe function fun. Here a comma b. Here document dot write a plus b. If I write here fun of I'm not passing any argument. Undefined plus undefined, not a number. Undefined plus undefined, not a number. If I pass one number, 10, 10 plus undefined, again, not a number. If I pass 10 comma 20, 30. Now, what I will do, you observe here. A equal to 10, B equal to 20. If I write here, file, save, 30. I'm not passing anything. Then A value 10, B value 20. Suppose I'm passing, now I'm passing one variable, 4. Then 4 copied in A. That means 10 modified as 4. Then what is output? 24. If I pass 3, what is output? 7. Like this. Here, this is called default argument. Suppose if I write here default argument A equal to 10, B. If I write, suppose I'm passing 20. Now, what will happen? Not a number. Because this 20 copied in A, but B is undefined. 20 plus undefined, not a number. That's what while writing, you would write like this. Then what is output? 30. Right to left, you have to initialize. Okay. That concept is called default arguments. Note default arguments. Note JavaScript supports default arguments to initialize parameters. In a method. JavaScript support default argument to initialize parameters in a method. Default arguments must be specified from right to left. Default arguments must be specified from right to left. Note. In JavaScript, if the parameter is not initialized, then it is considered as undefined. In JavaScript, if the parameter is not initialized, then it is considered as undefined. In JavaScript, if the parameter is not initialized, then it is considered as undefined. That is the reason you initialize. Then if you don't pass undefined, you can avoid with this. In JavaScript, if the parameter is not initialized, then it is considered as undefined. Is it over? See, JavaScript support default argument.